vacate your conviction and sentence today.
Long-awaited moments of relief and joy.
Free at last, free at last.
New York is the third highest in the nation when it comes to wrongful convictions.
State Senator Zelnor Myrie and Assemblyman Dan Court are working together to change New York state law. They want to make it easier for innocent people in prison to prove they don't belong there.
It's the double problem, one, of innocent people being incarcerated, but two, on public safety, that the individual who likely committed the crime is not incarcerated.
In Albany, they rallied with supporters, including the Innocence Project, calling on lawmakers to pass the Challenging Wrongful Convictions Act.
And if you are innocent, you want all the tools that you need to fight for that innocence.
If the bill eventually becomes law, anyone with a claim of innocence would be given a working pathway to prove their case within the court system. They'd also be given access to an attorney. To help pay for that legal representation, lawmakers are asking for $10 million to be set aside from this year's state budget.
If you have a lawyer, it makes all of the difference.
We asked if the increased access to post-conviction attorneys would encourage more people to appeal their cases, even if they're not actually innocent.
The argument that this will lead to a floodgates, that hasn't been demonstrated in states like New Jersey that have had this right since the mid-1990s.
A similar bill was proposed in Albany last year, but failed to pass. And Senator Myrie explains this year there is even more resistance to passing statewide criminal justice reform. Still, Myrie believes this legislation is worth fighting for.
When you hear about an innocent individual that lost years of their life, in many instances, they lost all of their family members, all of their friends. That is what moves you, and that is what I hope moves my colleagues in government.
And the Innocence Project is encouraging the public to support the Challenging Wrongful Convictions Act, saying it is the only true way that wrongfully convicted people can get the tools they need to fight their cases from inside prison. Reporting outside the Bronx Criminal Courthouse, Sayana Harry, Pix 11 News.